Good morning, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for a weather update. We're going to go through the models over the next week or so. There is another storm looking in the mirror to see if it's going to be snow, if it's going to be rain, but we're going to have a little bit of a warm up before that. So, major ice storm down here in Roanoke, and it's been a rough day for me actually. A lot of labor, intensive work. A lot of trees and power lines down, a lot of power outages, just a lot of stuff. Over a half-inch of ice where I was located, on top of the 9.5 inches of snow, so it was a really rough area in time here in Vinton, Virginia, but finally things have come now. The roads are drier now, and now it's finished cleaning up. So we go and see that we have the little clipper zipper going down below us. Not going to cause really anything but scatter some flurries around the south side. You can see we get cool air stays in the area before we get the warm up coming by Friday, as we have a ridging system moving. So that means ridging means warming. So we're in the 50s and the 60s. Won't be surprised to see this weekend. As we head into Saturday and Sunday, you can see parts of Maine have some snowfall, but that first storm is up in the north. Keeps us dry with a high pressure situated to the southeast. So next we have another low. It's going to try to form. Okay, this one looks to be gone out, bringing some snow to the upper Midwest, but then it's going to set up. This is really interesting. It's going to set up the interesting pattern here. Look where the precipitation is located, down in the south. Where the 540 line is, down to North Carolina. What does that mean? This low, depending on its location, will bring down that cool air as low. Let me tell you one thing right here about this area. It's cold air damming happens all the time, so don't pay attention so much to the rainfall here. It's the snowfall, but if it does rain, it'll change the snow pretty quickly as it moves up into the Delaware Valley. You see snow fly there from Roanoke to Lynchburg. That's on the 24th. We're discussing this. It goes up to the northeast. Cool air stays in place. So remember, don't look at the model, look at the pattern. The pattern would show we're going to have another storm coming out of the south, an RA type system with cold air in place. So right now, I would say to lean towards mixed precip or snow at this point, but it's still pretty far out. Then we have March 2nd to 3rd, we have a snow system come through. Light snow, it looks like nothing big and huge, but here is an interesting situation. We have a warming trend highs here. We start getting this warming trend. We're probably going to have severe weather in this time frame also. Look at how close these linear lines are with the isobars. Strong winds, low pressure here. This is like a great setup for severe weather for Alabama, Mississippi, and Tennessee up to parts of Kentucky, and the blocking highs right here. It's going to be a mess. This is a setup for severe weather if I haven't seen one. So we're going to have a lot to talk about soon, but meteorologist